The set event start date event is a powerful workflow step that enables you to define a date/time and then use wait steps to hold contacts in relation to the date/time you set. In this video, we'll review the options within the set event start date and time event, as well as common use cases for each. The first option is custom field, which enables you to select a custom field or a custom value to use as a event start date. Simply click the tag icon and you'll be able to select from your custom fields that are either date or text type fields. Let's say you have a custom date field called policy purchase date, and you want to send an annual reminder 2 weeks before the policy purchase date, letting the customer know it's time to renew. You would simply add a set event start date event, choose the custom field type, click the tag icon, click contact, click custom fields, then select the policy purchase date custom field. Next, you would add a wait step. Select the appointment or event time option. Make sure the until timing is set to before. Change the third variable to days, and then set the quantity variable to 14, as we want this wait step to hold people until 2 weeks before the policy purchase date. Hit save on the step, and next you'd add your messaging, email, SMS, voicemail steps saying something like, your policy expires in 2 weeks on, and notice we can use custom variables to dynamically insert the date from the policy purchase date field into the message. Let's get you renewed. And then finally, we want to add a go to event to loop the contact back up to the top of the workflow so the process starts over for them for the following year. The second option when using the set event start date step is date/time, which lets you simply choose a specific date and time, and then time off that with wait steps. So let's say you're running a 3-week course that will meet every Friday at noon. We can add a set event start date step, choose date/time, and then select the first Friday and set the time to noon. We can then add a wait step that sets to wait until 1 hour before the event, then send out the reminder, email, SMS, voicemail. Next, you'd add another set event start date step, select date/time again, and set it to the following Friday at noon. Add another wait, and so on. So we can see how the date/time is a powerful option, as we can send reminders before multiple date and time combinations within one workflow. The third option is the day option, which allows you to select either a current day of the week or current day of the month. This option is great for scenarios like a realtor who runs an open house every, let's say, Monday at 8 p.m. We can set the set event start date step to day, and then set the first parameter to current day of week. Then set the second parameter to Monday, and set the third parameter to 8 p.m. So when a contact hits this step, it will set the event start date to the upcoming Monday at 8 p.m., allowing us to add a wait step that holds the contact until 1 hour before Monday at 8 p.m., and then we can send out reminders and finally use a go-to step to loop them back to the top of the workflow for the next week. Now you know how to use the set event start date step in workflows in order to time wait steps in relation to an event.